So FedEx is hiring for data analyst, associate and analyst role. This is for freshers, and FedEx is a really good organization because it provides multiple opportunities to the employee to grow and have a good mental state and work life balance as well. So this is a full time role. The company's name is Federal Express Corporation. So this is a professionally full time role where your role will be on regular basis, 48 hours works will be there. So end date of posting is 31st of December. This is not a remote job, so this is open for three location if you are comfortable for Gurgaon, Bangalore and Mumbai. So if you are comfortable with any three of these location, any one of these location, then you can apply for this. Your description they have mentioned is that you should know how to design and implement the processes and the solution using data sets by performing data mining, test mining, and also analyze to perform some business decisions, gain insights from this, and work on some structured and unstructured data. That is what they are looking for. They are looking for someone who has a technical expertise, at those who can work on complex data sets, those who know what analysis is, how to perform interpretation, how to do, how to collect some complex information and achieve that goal. You must know how to import, clean, and transform that data using RDBMS, either Oracle or Teradata. You must be able to transform large volume of data into informations and information to insights. You must know how to answer business questions by using some statistical techniques that we used to learn. You know how to create reports, graphs, how to implement certain things within the timeline. So they are looking for someone who have bachelor's in information or IT field and have experience of 1 to 3 years of analytics. SAS programming experience, if you have, that will be good. If you are proficient in SQL, that is good. And they are looking for someone who knows Oracle, SQL Server, Teradata, and Azure. Any one of these, if you know, then you can apply for this role. Exposure to programming and scripting languages, like if you have knowledge about Java, JavaScript, Python, and HTML, then that would be really good thing. You must have an experience with any of the BI tool like Tableau or Power BI. They, if you know the libraries of JS as well, like D3 library, that is also good. So they are providing a pretty much good salary, tuition assistance, incentives. If they are great working environment, they are going to provide. They are also going to, this is going to be a hybrid opportunity where you will get 3 days maybe work from home and 2 days work from office. So there will be a pretty much good work life balance as well. Health and wellness programs are also there. So they also provide some shipping, travel, discounts to the employees as well. So their requirement is pretty much similar to other companies, but they are looking for someone who can work with these pays and can work for long time. That is why they are providing it on hybrid. So if you are looking for job, then you can go with this. You have to click on the apply button, then it will take you to the workday website. So fedex.workday.com something website will launch for you. After that website will launch, you have to sign in on that website, and then you can apply for your uh, this particular role. If once you have applied, it will show you have already applied for this job.